She's gone.
Come on, hurry. On the slide.
What?
On the slide. Where is she?
How's it doing?
Oh, I see her. Wait, what? Because that family I think was taken to the other room. There she is.
Oh no,
Yeah,
she's...
Right, she's not one.
Oh, I've just put my finger in front of the camera. And she's away. Quick. How do you zoom in?
Push that one. Didn't. That'll zoom in.
Oh, there's a big sign in the way. I feel well sorry for her. We're following her.
So, that was your idea.
Yeah, well.
I want to go back to the couch.
Come on then, let's go. Should I stop the video?
If you want.
Should I keep going?
If you want. We can make it a move. Hello.
Hello.
We've got a full video at Ikea.
Ikea. Oh, Stephen, this is one way.
Only $11.99.
$11.99.
Have we gone the wrong way?
Yeah, let's just do it.
Okay.
Let's be rebels and go the one way system. What's this? You can video me. What would I do?
I don't know. Mel, we and cool. Light bulb. 5 now. I mean.